Hello everybody, this is the Rankin Roving Reporter. I'm here at Hartwig Incorporated with one of our graduates, Ricky Hochecker. He's a recent graduate and now employed here. So Ricky, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you're doing here?
So here at Hartwig, I'm an applications engineer on the pre-sales side of our business. What we handle mostly is support of our sales team. Customers will come to us with part prints that they don't necessarily know what equipment they need to manufacture the part or how much of the equipment they need, maybe what kind of process they need to use. And we will sit down, look at the part print, come up with a process, the right machine, pick the tooling, the work holding, and spec everything out for the customers and help the salesman quote the project, sell the project. Once the project sells, we handle the training on site as well and help the customer get going. Even after we have done the initial on-site training, we are always a resource for the customer to reach out, call with any questions, email with any questions, and just make sure everybody keeps their equipment running.
Great. And what program were you in at Rankin?
I was in the Precision Machining Technology program.
Great. So you're not actually, you're kind of helping people who are running machines to do that, like companies that are purchasing that kind of equipment. And is that, am I right when I say that?
So we handle training actually on the equipment. We do some turnkey solutions as well on the engineering services side, which is what I'm helping with right now, where we actually program, set up, and run off the customer's parts. Once the customer accepts the machine, we then ship that machine to the customer's facility, reset up on their floor, train their personnel, and do a second runoff if they have elected to have that done, and then leave the machine to run production. So we do a little bit of both. We do some programming, we do some setup, some running of the machines, and a lot of training the customer's personnel who will be running the machines.
Great. So tell me a little bit about Hartwig and what it's like working here.
Hartwig is a family-owned company that from the minute I met Craig and Jeff and the entire leadership team was a company that was very welcoming. It truly is a family-owned company. One of their core values in our company is we care like family, and you really do feel that environment working here every day.
That's awesome. So if you were going to talk to a student who's considering, like trying to decide between pursuing a trade and going to a school like Rankin or going to a four-year degree, what kind of advice would you give them?
The biggest thing I would tell them is there's a lot of demand in the trades right now. When I go to customers, I'm in a lot of customers' facilities training. I'm not training 18, 20, 25-year-old individuals very often. I'm training a lot of retirement age or within the next 10 to 15 years retirement age individuals. So a trade degree is going to be less expensive than a four-year degree, and there's a lot of opportunity to grow quickly in the industry right now. There's a high demand for workers, and you're definitely not going to find yourself unemployed.
Yeah, so you go where the opportunity is.
Exactly.
Awesome. Well, Ricky, really appreciate your time, and thanks again, and hope best of luck to you in the future.
Thank you.